Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the transmission control module fuses are located, we have multiple fuses. We'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses for the transmission control module, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. You have multiple, guys, fuses that you need to check, and we'll be working in 2 different fuse boxes today. The first one is under the hood. Open the hood, and here on the driver's side you see that box. You have that cover that looks like a T. Open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So here, guys, we need to check, by the way, 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check 2 more. The first fuse that we need to check, that's fuse number 18, 19, 21, okay? 21 right here you need to check, and then 23 right next to it on the other side. 21, 23. After that you need to come on the inside, on the driver's side. You see that trim under the dash? It has 4 clips, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side of the steering wheel. You pull that thing down, opens on a hinge, and behind it on the left side, all the way inside the dash, you'll find a fuse box that will look like this one. Here it's a little bit tricky, guys, okay, but we need to check, by the way, 2 fuses now specifically, and if you zoom in you'll be able to see the fuse numbers next to them, guys, okay. But the ones that we need to check, so first we'll need to check fuse number 12, so that's 7, 9, 11 right here, 13, so that's 12 right here, guys. It's a double fuse, that's 12 and 13 together. You need to check that one, and then you need to check fuse number 19. We're talking, that's 19 and 20 will need to be checked, okay, right there. This fuse here as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.